こんにちは、まめいです。今月は、お花畑に干してある傘で遊ぶ猫ちゃんも描いていきますよ。Let's draw pastel mofu art. Let's draw pastel fluffy art. This month, the cat is playing in the umbrella. Now, let's prepare the flower first. Also, you can cut the stencils like this. But if you would like to prepare the eraser stamp, then please watch carefully what I do. First, please shade any color you like on the palette first and paint the eraser like this. Then please use fixative and spray. And then put the flower stencil after the eraser is dried. A little bit wet. Then please shape darker color and paint inside like this. Touch, and spray one more time and dry well. During we are waiting the eraser dry, then please cut. Like this. Next, please use the sharp knife. You can compare the usual cutter knife and the sharp cutter knife. Then hold your cutter knife 45-degree angle and cut like this. Use the sharp pencil or a bamboo skewer and make a hole in the center of the flower like this. Then you finish the preparing. Okay, and please cut off the edge. Please prepare the ink pad and extra paper. And put the ink and check if you made a good cut. And if you don't think so, then just clean your eraser stamp using soft eraser like this. And check if you cut well. Please prepare the stencil. This one and this one. And if you feel the area of ears, eyes, nose, and the hand is difficult to cut, then you don't have to, and you can draw by freehand. Okay? Then let's draw. First, prepare the white pastel and clean the net or use the knife and shave the pastel. If you use the net, then clean the net before you shave. And use a lot of fingers and make your drawing paper white. Then the white powder is catched by the paper. After that, please clean the paper to avoid the extra powder like this. Okay then, now please use this stencil first and shade your favorite color on the palette. I'm going to paint the rainbow color today. We paint here and here. Check your finger clean or white. Then paint inside the stencil. After you paint inside like this, then please make darker area around here. Make those dark brown. Next, then please make darker area using 113 because the first color is green. Then open your stencil and clean. If you find any mess play, then use your soft eraser and clean them. Tap, 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 tap. Then turn the stencil and rotate and adjust like this. Please clean your finger because we changed the color. And color inside the stencil. And please do not forget to make darker place like this. After you make the darker area, then please repaint the first color. Then you can paint smoothly. You can make the gradation easily. Next is blue. And darker color. This time use 113. And clean extra powder. And if you see any white area like this, then adjust the stencil and add the color. And you can recover the colors. Then use circle stencil and paint here inside the circle with your favorite color. And please make darker area. And repaint. Touch. Then adjust the stick area like this. Okay. Please paint the stencil stick area using number 3 and number 5. First, shape and paint number 3. Then make shadow area. So use number 3 first. And darker color at the bottom. And erase the handle area. Then color with your favorite color. Then you finished the umbrella. Next, please adjust the outside of cat stencil. You can put here or here. You see, here is okay. The center is also okay. Or like this, or like this. Today, I will put here. Then clean inside before you paint. I will show you calico cat painting from now on. Please paint inside here and use the color of 48 and 14 for the brown area and 143 for the black area. Please shade 143 and 48 and 14. Please mix 14 and 48 and paint like this. Again, use different finger and paint other place like this. After we spray fix up, then we use watercolor pencil and make some stripes for the cat. But now, please don't do that, okay? And maybe the cat hand is around here, so please make the line like this. Okay, this is the way how to paint the calico color. So, 3-color cat. You see? Next, I will show you peasant and white cat painting. Put 143 on your finger and paint like this. Check the cat's paw. Such touch If you want to make red tabby cat, then use 48 and 14 and a little 21. Then mix well and if the pole is good painting like this, and mark around here and use soft eraser and take away a little like this. Okay? There are many cat patterns and colors in the world, so you can paint and make color as you like. Erase inside. If you felt cutting is difficult, please cut only ear area and draw eyes, nose, mouth, and hand by freehand. Like this. Then clean your hand. Now we are going to make ears and hand and nose. From now on, please shave 14 and cover surrounding area using outer stencil and paint the inside ear. And nose, mouth, and hand. And trace the eyes using black color pencil. Then cat area is finished, and we are going to make fluffy after that. Please shape your favorite color on the palette for the flower. Then, like this, I use this 28. Make a coin size circle like this. Then use soft eraser and place roll inside the flower. Can you see? Because this is very thin color, so it's difficult to see through the camera. Next, please use embossing ink pad or white ink pad. This is white and this is embossing ink pad. You can use any color, but I prefer white. Maybe you can't see anything now. Next, please wait until the ink is dried. Then please use 13 or 28 and color like this. Then you can see the stamped area. Like this. And if you want to add more stamp, then add anywhere you like. Please rotate the stamp and change the angle. And please wait. Now add a little darker pink on the 13 and it mix well. Then flower appears like this. For that, use the flower stencil and make dark color and paint inside like this. And if you are not going to touch the flowers, then you only paint all the flowers. Any way okay, any type okay. Then use the cotton swab and make the center of the flower. And you can use electric eraser like this. Well, let's draw some leaves. Use green and 113 and 48 like this. Please shape on the palette. Use here, this is leaf and cover the stencil around the flower like this. Just like wrap the flower. Mm, Let's see. And I do here. Here. Like this. Then you can make a vein line. Okay. Next, let's paint the sky. Please paint darker upper tone and more light color, more light blue near the ground. You can use any your favorite sky color, 106 or 108 or 89, also 111, 90 is also okay. Upper area darker, lower area light. You see? Then let's make one or two wind lines. Cut the tip of the pen type eraser like this. Then draw a line, one or two times. You can also use stencil that you make. Then you can decorate using a kira kira stencil and make some kira kira along the wind. And also inside the flower someplace. Then maybe you can see some raindrop on the flower. But please do not do too much. And also you can decorate the umbrella, any patterns or any stencils. Then let's make the cat fluffy. Usually, we make fluff upward along the outline, along the ear first. Then downward from the foot of the ear, like this.